In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently schedule a meeting using Microsoft Outlook with the help of the Copilot feature. This process is straightforward and can save you valuable time when setting up meetings in your busy schedule. To begin, open your web browser and head over to https://outlook.office.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft 365 account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy if you're not already signed in. Signing into your account is essential because it grants you access to all the Microsoft Office features available in your subscription. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left panel of the Outlook interface. You'll find a variety of options here, but the one we need today is the calendar. Click on Calendar and you'll be redirected to the Calendar page, where you can view, create, and manage your events and appointments. Now, direct your attention to the top menu of the Calendar page. Here, you should see an icon that resembles a sparkle. This is the Copilot feature, a handy tool designed to help automate your scheduling tasks. If you don't immediately see the sparkle icon, don't worry. Try clicking inside the search box, as the Copilot option often makes its appearance there. With Copilot active, your next step is to enter your scheduling request in natural language directly into the Copilot chat box. You can type something like, "Schedule a 30-minute project update meeting with John Smith and Maria Lopez next Tuesday at 2 p.m. Add Teams link." This allows you to communicate exactly what you need without having to manually fill out each detail of the meeting invite. After entering your request, press Enter. What will happen next is quite impressive. The Copilot will take your instructions and generate a draft of the meeting invite. This draft will include all the crucial details, such as the date and time you've specified, the attendees you've mentioned, and a Teams meeting link, which is incredibly useful for virtual meetings. It may also provide a suggested subject line and meeting description to give your invitees more context about the purpose of the meeting. Finally, you'll want to give the draft meeting invite a quick review. Make sure all the details are correct and that nothing has been overlooked. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Add to Calendar. And just like that, your meeting is scheduled and invites are sent out to your attendees. By following these simple steps, you've successfully used the power of Microsoft Outlook's Copilot to streamline your meeting scheduling process. Whether you're managing daily appointments or coordinating with a large team, this method can greatly enhance your productivity and organization. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.